Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to disable or turn off link preview in Chrome browser. So if you're using Chrome browser and you want to disable or turn off link preview on your iPhone, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to turn off or disable link preview on Google Chrome browser on iPhone or Chrome on iPhone, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the Chrome application on your iPhone just like this. Then let's say you're on a new page. So while on the new page, click on this three dot at the bottom right. Then swipe through the navigation just like this until you see settings. So just swipe through until you see the settings. Then once you select the settings, here you'll be taken to the Chrome settings on your iPhone. Now you want to scroll down the page, keep scrolling, and click on content settings. Once you've selected content settings, then you should see show link previews. Then go ahead and turn this off. So once you disable this, link previews will be disabled on the Chrome browser. And if you turn this on, that's going to turn on link preview on your Chrome browser. So that's basically how to disable or turn off link preview on Chrome. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.